Hey guys, welcome to another soap making extravaganza. I guess that's what you can call it. This is Megan from the Butterbean Shop. I'm going to be making for you today cranberry citrus peel. So it smells so good. I don't even know how to explain it. It's very fruity. It is going to be part of the fall collection, fall winter collection. It smells like cranberry sauce with orange zest. It's so good, and it's definitely one of my favorites. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I have in here in my oils the additives, which are white kaolin clay and powdered goat milk. So I'll go ahead and get this buzzed together. And now we will go ahead and add the lye solution. And this is aloe vera juice, Tessa silk, and sodium lactate. And I am soaping at room temperature today, which is about 75 degrees. All right. So I do not know what this fragrance oil is going to do. It did not say anything in the comments at all about whether or not it discolored. It does not have vanillin. It did not say anything about, oh, I'm adding my coconut milk, by the way. It did not say anything about acceleration. So we'll just play it by ear, see what happens. Hopefully I'm not going to have a soap on a stick situation. We'll see. I'm going to be soaping with 4 different colors. So I just want to get this emulsified. I don't want to get this, because I am going to be doing some additional blending. I don't want to get this too thick, because again, I do not know what it's going to do. So I'll just stop right here and scrape off this batter. Don't want to waste anything. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do a white base, and then I have an accent of an orange, which is Orange Vibrance from Nurture Soap. I also have, this is My Red Obsession. It's a very pretty red color. That's also from Nurture. And then I have Purple Vibrance, which is also from Nurture. So I have some beautiful colors here that are going to be the accents for this soap. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour out my colors. All right, pour to about 3/4 of a liter. Let's see what that does. Might do more. That'll be good. All right, I'm making a mess. Let me go ahead and clean this mess up. Big mess, obviously. Having issues pouring. All right, so I think that's good for my accent colors. So, this is gosh, I'm just making a mess everywhere. That's why I have these paper towels. Okay, so then in this one I will pour in the orange vibrance. Start off with that for now. Save a little bit for the top. I plan on doing like a little micro drizzle. I'm planning on it. And then this will be, this one has a little tiny bit more in it. This will be the red. Okay. And this will be the purple. Okay, so just want to give this a stir really quick. I will stick blend it, of course. I think I'm gonna have to add more white though. This is a lot of batter. Okay. And like I said, I don't know what this fragrance oil is going to do. I'm very interested to find out. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and pour this fragrance oil in here. It is very yellow. It's very orange, so I'm hoping that it doesn't discolor, but we will soon find out. I mean, the fragrance smells so good, so if it did discolor, I'll just have to soap it again and figure out a way to make it work, because it smells very good. Okay. So now we'll get to blending everything together. Here's the purple, here's the white. So it is thickening just a tad bit, the white, but it's not so far out of control. So I will start pouring. And now I'm gonna get the hanger swirl tool, and I'm going to kind of estimate where the middle of each bar is I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I'm going to do little swirls like this, and then go back down and bring it up, and then in the middle, and then at the top to the side. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Start down at the bottom, do little swirls coming up, then go back down and swoosh up, and swoosh up. Same thing here. So down at the bottom, little coming up, and then swoosh up, do little wisp. So I guess that's what that would be called. Okay, and then I'm done with that. So now I'm going to get the rest of this batter in. First I'm going to bang this down. So now what I'll do is I will get some glitter. I think this needs some glitter on it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find some glitter just to put on here. Take off the... I'll find some glitter. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I'm going to put some bronze glitter on here. I got this from the Fizz Fairy, and I don't know if it'll come out. There we go. Spray a little bronze glitter, and it goes perfectly with the color scheme. Looks good. Sorry I'm not talking a lot through this, but I have been really busy. I'm gonna start this diet, and I had to meal prep, so I have been on my feet all Sunday. So I had to cook for the meal prep, get ready for the week for the kids. It's Sunday today, so it's my busy day. So, and I hadn't made any soap this weekend, so I had to get some done. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and spray some 99% rubbing alcohol. I get mine from Amazon, and that's going to prevent the soda ash from forming. And there you have it. This is cranberry and citrus peel. I'll probably rename it to cranberry and orange zest. So this is my cranberry and orange zest soap, and I will bring you back for the cut right now. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Butterbean Shop. We're here to cut 2 soaps today. But I'll probably edit one out and then you'll have the other one. I've already split my logs, and this is for the Cranberry Orange Zest, and I just have to tell you, I am obsessed with this. This is from the first loaf that I cut. Isn't that so pretty? And like pretty much all of them kind of look like this. So pretty. I'm so obsessed with it. So, and it smells so good. It smells so good. This is one of my favorites that I've done. So I think I'm getting the hang of this hanger swirl, and I'm so happy with the results so far. So here I'm gonna cut, but here's the thing. For my log splitter, this loaf was too tall. So I guess I'm gonna have to stop doing like really tall peaks. But yeah, I'm like obsessed with this particular batch here. So I'll cut off this end piece. And there's the first end piece. Not much to see, but I think there's gonna be some good pieces coming up pretty soon. Just from the so there goes one. Go see. Turn it around for you. So it's just got some really pretty swirls. I'm really happy because I've been struggling with the hanger swirl, and so I'm glad I picked it back up again to do it. So I'm really happy with what I've done with this one, because I've really been struggling. So I mean, I've been soaping for a minute now, and so I used to just, you know, I tried it a couple of times. I'm like, okay, this isn't working for me. Let me not continue on this. But I think now that I've picked it up again, I kind of like it. So pretty happy with it. So what I'll do is I'll cut this particular, oh, look at this one. The back of this one is really pretty. I love it. It's so pretty. So happy with it. So let me see if I can put one together and see what it looks like together. So there's one, there's that one that I just cut. And here goes the other side of that. That looks pretty. And let me see, here goes one. Let me see, does this one kind of, no, that way. Oh, like that. So that looks good. I can, so yeah, I got some nice pairs here as far as the design is concerned. So I'm happy about that. But I think my battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna hurry up and buzz through these and stop talking.